Good morning, everyone, team. Can anyone please confirm? Am I audible to everyone? Can you please confirm in the chat, team? Yes, thank you. Yeah, fine. I got the reply. Yeah, no. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, good morning, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings. My name is Kumar, and I am the trainer for this program on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So before starting the session today, I want to share you something. As we have mix of population attending the demo class today, team, like we have freshers attending the program, we have people with other domains like non-IT experiences now planning to move to IT by learning this course. We have that population in the meeting today, and also people with prior IT experiences. Prior to Oracle Fusion, they might be working for other applications or other technologies, now planning to switch to Oracle Fusion. So we have mix of population attending the demo today. By keeping everyone in mind, we have muted everyone, team. If you have any questions in the due course of time when the session is taking place for the next 1 hour or 1.5 hours, I request everyone to please park your questions, or you can drop in the chat board here that is available in your Zoom link over there, right? Because I don't want the flow to get interrupted in between, as it is a demo. Because if anyone having a prior experiences, and if you start asking the questions with respective to that and this comparison, the other people might get distracted or confused, team. So I usually prefer taking the doubts at the end of the session. So I request everyone, please be on the mute with due respect, and then please park your questions. Note down the questions that what you are having. At the end of the class, I will take one-on-one doubts with you people. Okay. Thanks for understanding, team. So one more time, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings team. And today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So today in this demo, I'm going to explain you how to land upon a high-paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. If you are a fresher, or if you have a non-IT experience, and if you are working in some other technologies in the IT industry, you are hesitate with your coding skills. You are looking for the best technology or the high-paying technology in the market, which is of a completely zero coding, where anyone from any background, without their educational constraints, without any prior experiences constraints, if you want to learn a technology and if you want to start your career with a high-paying salaries, then the best technology will be Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So today in this demo, I'm going to explain you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application is about, who will be using this technology in the market, for what purpose. Once we learn this technology, what we will be doing, in which type of companies we will be working on this technology, what are the pay rates that we have in the market currently for this technology. And many people will have a common myth. What is that? In IT industry, every 1 year or 2 years, we have to advance our skills. We have to learn new technologies and we have to upskill ourselves, or else we will be outdated, or the demand for the technology will be outdated for every 1-2 years. Whether that happens in this technology or not, if you learn this technology now in 2024 and you get into the job, what will be your career perspective? How long this technology will be in the market? And what are the current pay rates for freshers? What are the salaries we have? For experienced people, what are the salaries we have in the market for this technology. So the entire framework from learning this technology, and once you place and once you get into the job, what will be your career perspective. This entire things we are going to talk in the next 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes team. As it is a demo today, our session might be slightly extending, but from tomorrow onwards, the sessions will be between 8 to 9 sharp. So I request everyone, please be on the class till the end of the session so that you won't miss about the information of this technology or the course curriculum, what benefits from the point of placements you are going to get from our side. Everything you will be getting detailed information team. So I request everyone, please be on the call till the end of the session. Okay. So let me move on to today's agenda for this particular demo class. But before going to today's agenda, let me briefly introduce about myself, because whenever you're learning a technology, you should know about your trainer. What is the experience that your trainer is having? So let me briefly introduce about myself before starting the today's agenda team. So as I told you, my name is Kumar and I am an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years team. So I have total 14 years of experience. Out of that, from the last 12 plus years, I am into this IT consulting field. So total 14 years experience I have, and from the last 12 plus years, I am into this IT consulting. And coming to this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, from last 8 years, close to 9 years now, since 2015, I am into this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So I can say that since the inception of these applications by the Oracle, from the beta versions, from the basic versions, I have been part of this Oracle HCM Cloud applications. So as of today, I have worked on close to 10 plus end-to-end implementation, support, and rollout projects in this technology. And coming to the clients that I worked from the countries like United States, UK, Australia, Finland, and the Middle East countries, UAE, Saudi, Qatar, Oman. So the clients or the customers that I worked on, the implementation and support projects are from these countries' team. So I can say proudly, I am having multi-legislative exposure, multi-country exposure on this particular Oracle HCM Cloud applications, because I have worked for different clients across different countries team. So I traveled many countries that what I have mentioned on the slide for my implementation and support projects for my clients team. And a part of this professional experience on the implementation and support, I am also a corporate trainer who delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies. Corporate trainings means what team? Like in Triotech, how we give the trainings to you people every month. These are our regular trainings for all the participants who are interested to learn. A part of these trainings, okay, a part of these trainings, I also conduct trainings in the corporate companies in order to upskill their employees in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Companies will be conducting the trainings internally. So I have been associated with multiple companies in the corporate world where I delivered 25 plus corporate trainings so far, like for the companies for TechM, for American Express, for DHL, for Herbalife, for Cognizant, for all these companies, we also conducted the corporate trainings team. Okay. And then I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. Currently also, I'm working for an MNC where we are working on a global implementation. So current implementation that I'm doing, the client presence is across in 30 plus countries team. So currently I'm working on that global implementation for one of the global client in the market. So this is my total experience in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Okay. So let me move on to today's agenda. What we are going to see in today's demo class on Oracle HCM Cloud. So first of all, I will be talking about team introduction to ERP. What is ERP team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Whenever you're learning Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, you should also know about the concept of ERP. Why? Because team, our Oracle Fusion applications comes under ERP family. People with prior experiences, you might be aware of what is ERP, but keeping freshers and other non-IT experienced people, I will briefly explain here what is ERP, what are the different products available in the market. Okay, that all we will see here team. Introduction to ERP. Here I will explain you what are these applications. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application means what? Who will use this application in the market? Okay, for what purpose they will be using this? That all I will tell you here team. And then I will talk about what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. So here team, we will talk about the history of this Fusion application, like in which year Oracle introduced these applications in the market. Prior to this Oracle Fusion applications, what are the ERP applications available in the market? What are the routes that are laid down in order to come up with this product by Oracle? That all history about the Fusion applications I will explain you here team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved. This is one of the most important thing everyone should know. Whenever you're learning any software technology in the market, it might be Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, it might be AWS, it might be DevOps, or it might be Azure, it might be full stack. Any software application you are learning in the market, you should know typically who are the companies involved in the usability of that application or technology team. So here I will introduce to you who is the vendor, like to whom this Oracle Fusion applications belong to, who will sell the product, who will buy the product, like the customer or the client, who will implement the product. That all I will tell you. Here only I will let you know, once you learn this technology, in which type of companies you will be starting your career. Here I will talk about that team. Types of companies involved, right? And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases team. I will talk about Fusion environment releases. It means the versioning. Like every software will have an upgrade team. Even if you see, if you are using an Android mobile or iPhone, iOS you are having in the iPhone, or in Android mobile you have Android software. Over a span of time, your softwares will get upgraded, correct? So our Fusion applications also will be upgrading on a timely manner. Here I will introduce to you the environment releases team. Like when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the release version they introduced this application? Since then, we are in 2024 now. What is the upgradation happening in the Fusion application? What is the latest version currently? So that all versions concept I will talk here team. Why? Because Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy team. Every 3 months in the year, they will upgrade their application with new functionalities and all. So here I will talk about all that environment activities team. This is also important. Whenever you are learning a technology, the roots or the basics of the application will be very much needed to know, a part of the functionalities and all. So that's why in the demo, I'm going to ice break all these application related fundamentals and the mandatory things that you must aware of, team. Then I will talk about, team, modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. So here, some of you already contacted me or my team, and you got the information about these modules that we are covering in this program. But many of you used to ask me, Kumar, whenever we are inquiring about this technology, people usually telling us that functional, technical, we have two concepts. Okay. And one more question immediately. Anywhere does I require any coding skills to learn this technology? Anywhere, any prerequisites to learn this course, right? These all questions will be addressed, team. So whatever the questions you have in your mind, once we complete the demo, 90% of your questions will be addressed, team, once I complete all these concepts explanation. Okay. So here I will talk about what are the modules we have in this technology, what comes under functional side, what comes under technical side, and what is having what is having high demand in the market. When you are learning this, whether you should learn functional or you should learn technical or you should learn techno-functional. What is the career scope? I will talk about all those here, team. And in this training program, what all modules that we are going to cover as part of the training program that we are providing you, that all I will explain you, team. And here only I will talk about career prospects with respective to this HCM Cloud, career opportunities in HCM, team. This is a main point that everyone is particularly looking for. Once you learn this technology, what will be your career opportunities? What sort of packages offering in the market? Then career graph down the line 5 years or 10, 15 years, where you will be looking yourself once you be in this technology as a consultant stream. That all I will talk here. Then I will talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository. What is this, team? Oracle standardly delivers the documents, team, but people usually don't know. It's an open source for everyone. Oracle standardly providing the documents, team. So how to access that Oracle repository, that I will show you. Then Oracle certification process I will talk about, team, because people usually ask me, Kumar, when we learn this, in order to secure a good package job, do we have to complete the certification? That all I will let you know, team. What is the process, how to apply, what is the cost incurred? First of all, whether it is mandatory or not, that all I will explain you here, team. Maximum in today's demo, I will be covering these concepts, team. Okay, on the left hand side. Knowledge repository and certification process, I will be continuing in tomorrow's session, because I know, right, every batch, I don't have the bandwidth to cover in this single class all these concepts. So till career opportunities and why to choose Triotech, what will be this course features, what all support that you are going to get as part of placements and all, I will explain, team. These two concepts we will be continuing in tomorrow's session. Okay, so let me start with the very first concept for today, that is introduction to ERP, team. Okay, introduction to ERP, team. But even before introduction to ERP, team, I want to let you know one thing. For whom this course is for? Who can learn this course? First, let me make you clear on this point, and then we will get into the subject, team. First question, everyone will have one thing in the mind, whoever attending the demo today. What is that? Whether I am eligible to learn this course or not. Because I know some are freshers, recently passed out, not from BTech. You might be from BCom, BA, BSc, whatever the graduation, team. So do I require to complete only BTech or MCA to learn this technology? That is question for freshers. Secondly, people from other domain experiences. You might be working as into sales, you are working as a recruiters, or you are working into staffing companies as a HRs, or different domain experiences you are having, non-IT experiences. Now you are planning to switch to this technology. Am I eligible to learn this or not? So you can see the points here, team, who this course is, for whom this course is for. If you are in your final year of degree, or if you have just complete your graduation and don't know what to do. Graduation means from any background. The best thing with the ERP applications is companies won't look at only your BTech or MCA team. People from any background companies will accept. You might be from any degree. You are eligible to learn this course. Even freshers having very good demand in this technology team. Okay. If you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your current unstable job, like if you are working in any non-IT jobs and you want to make your career into IT, then this is the best technology to learn. The reason behind that is it's a completely no coding application, zero coding application team. So anyone with any prior knowledge can able to easily understand this technology, and you can able to learn and you can start your career into IT. And if you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs in the next 4 to 5 years, then this is the best technology to learn, team. Because currently the salary ranges, if you see in the market, a person with 3 to 4 years of experience getting the salaries between 25 to 30 lakhs like that. So that demanded technology and that high paying technology in the market, team. And as I told you, people from any degree and any background. No prerequisites to learn this course. Whatever the program that we are offering, if you complete this program and if you practice as per the way that we are conveying that course, that will be quite sufficient, team. So if you are falling in any of these prior criteria, team, then this is the right choice for you to learn this technology. So there is no prerequisite for anyone to learn prior to this HCM Cloud. Okay. Now, team, moving on to the very first concept, enterprise resource planning. What do you mean by ERP, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies, financials, supply chain, operations, commerce, manufacturing, and HR. See, basically, team, any company in the market you take, any organization in the market you take, for example, team, you take Reliance Industries or Tata Group, our well-known Indian companies, or Amazon or Apple, Google, any company in the market you take, team. In every organization, there will be different business processes involved. There will be different departments, team. So there will be HR business process or HR department. So usually in every organization, what is the role of HR department, team? They are responsible of maintaining the employees in the organization. Correct, team? Like starting from recruitment of the employees, their onboarding, joining, that is hiring team, and the employee management and their leave management, their salary processings, and every year performance appraisals, their compensation, benefits, everything with respective to the employees, HR department will be taking care in the organization. If you take finance department, team, in every organization, what will be the role of finance department people? They are responsible of maintaining the accounts of the organization. How much amount coming, cash inflow, cash outflow, accounts payable, receivables, all that finance people will maintain. If the company is a manufacturing industries team, part of manufacturing industry, then they have supply chain department, procurement department, from procuring the materials to manufacturing the goods and selling the goods. Everything will be taken care by operations department team. So every company in the market, if you take different business processes involved team, correct? In order to maintain all these business activities, organizations requires a tech-based modular software applications team. For example, I will talk about human resource department team because our technology is what Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means Human Capital Management. It's a HR related software application team. So, for example, team, you take Tata Group. So, Tata Group having some 30,000 employees in their organization working across the globe. So, what is the role of HR department team? The HR department in that Tata Group will be maintaining all that 20,000 employees activities team, like their joinings, their hirings, onboardings, leaves, salaries, performance appraisals, everything. So how they will be maintaining all that employees HR activities team? Manually they can't do, right? You can ask me, Kumar, prior to these technologies, how companies used to handle all these things? Obviously, manually team. See, if now also small companies will do all these activities manually. Means if a company have 30 employees working, 50 employees working, they don't require any software. They can manually handle. They can maintain in the Excel and they can take the absence present, whoever came, to, who are present, who are absent. For whom the salaries are processing, they will maintain manually in the Excel. For Ashok, 10,000 rupees salary. For Suresh, 15,000 is a salary, like that. But organizations with high employees, let's say company have 1,000 employees working, 2,000 employees working, 10,000, 20,000, all the HR activities they cannot maintain manually. So companies requires a tech-based software applications team. One such product one such product offered by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. This is a HR related software application team. Any company in the market, if they buy this product from Oracle, they will be using this product in their in-house HR operations team. If you people having any experiences working in any company, when you join the organization, you will be given with a portal access, right? HR portal, where you can able to check your employment details, where you will apply the leaves every month, where you will check your pay slips and all. That is one HR software application, right? So Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is also one of the HR related software application team. HR related software application. So like Oracle Fusion HCM team, in Fusion applications only, Oracle Fusion Financials Oracle offering, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Oracle offering, Oracle Fusion Procurement. In order to cater all the business functional areas in the organization's team, these applications are offering by different companies in the market. So ERP is a category or a family team. Under the ERP family, there are different applications available in the market. Oracle is offering Oracle Fusion applications. And we have SAP, which is offering by SAP Corporation. Then Northgate, Blackboard, Salesforce, Pegasus, even Zoho. Okay, these all are the different ERP applications available in the market team. We are learning one such product in the market, which is offering by Oracle, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. And here, some of you used to ask me, Kumar, which is the best option? Oracle Fusion is good, SAP is good, or Workday, or any other Salesforce or some other domains? See, currently, as of today, census, if you take 2024, we are in the month of March. If you take as of today census team, from the last two years, we can see Oracle is the market leader in this ERP application. SAP is a counterpart competitor to Oracle, but SAP is a old-aged product team. Since 40 years, this technology is in the market. Many resources are already available who learn this technology and who are working on this. So the demand for SAP is not that phenomenally increasing. It's got saturated. But Oracle offering these fusion applications on an advanced cloud-based technology. Nowadays, every industry moving towards cloud-based offerings team. That's the reason from last 2-3 years we are seeing the Oracle Fusion applications graph phenomenally raised team. It means many companies buying this product in order to use in their in-house HR operations team. That is the reason major implementations are happening in the market. So the job recruitment is also increased phenomenally in the last 2-3 years in this technology team, because the resources readily not available to cater the implementations happening in the market. So that's the reason team, people with less experience also, if they are knowledgeable enough, companies offering very good packages. So 100% Oracle is much having a advantage in the competition in the market share as well. One more thing is Workday, if you take team, that is concentrated only to the US market, as it is a very new application. It's not widespread into Asian region or Middle East region team. But whereas Oracle applications is having a global market across the US, across the European, Middle East, Asian, many companies using Oracle technologies. Even the very well-known companies from Hyderabad, if you take the pharma companies like Arabindo, Hetero, or the well-known banks, HDFC, ICICI, RBL, these all companies also using Oracle Fusion application. So in India, domestically also team, this application penetrated. The reason behind that is application is very sophisticated and very easy to use, and more features being given in this technology by Oracle. So that's the reason, compared to other ERP technologies, Oracle Fusion enjoying the market share from the last couple of years, and the trends will go for next 5-6 years also the same weighting. So absolutely Oracle Fusion will be a right choice compared to other ERP application. For your reference purpose, I kept this slide. What are the different other tools available in the market catering the same HR solution team? So why these applications will be used? I hope everyone understood now. This is a HR related software application. In any organization, in order to handle their HR activities, companies will be using this application team. Okay. Now, moving on to the next slide team. After ERP, I will be talking about what is Oracle Fusion application. So here people will be getting what is this application is about. So as I told you team, Fusion applications purpose will be, Fusion applications in the sense are Fusion HCM applications purpose is to cater the HR related services in the organization. But if you ask me from the point of entire Fusion applications team, what is Oracle Fusion application? I will be explaining them in this way. Fusion applications can be best described. Fusion applications can be best described into they built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options. What is this, Kumar? Built on open standard based platform. See team, these are just for information purpose. No one will ask you in the interview these points. Okay. But just for the information purpose, I am sharing team, because some of you joined today are from other technical backgrounds. People might be working from middleware extensions or DBS. They might be curious about to know what is the backend schema of Fusion application team. So Fusion applications backend schema, the applications designed on these different individual technologies team. Oracle SOA, service-oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center portal, IDM. These are the different individual technologies available in the market team. So in order to build the Fusion applications, Oracle using all these technologies in the backend. So the backend functionality or the design of the Fusion applications are based on these technologies team. Then built on best business processes. This is something important to know. This is the background of the application. Please concentrate, team. Built on best business processes. What I mean here, Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, okay, JD Edwards, Siebel. What are these? I have to go to next slide to explain to you, team. Oracle Fusion evaluation path. See, team, prior to Oracle Fusion applications, Oracle own application is Oracle EBS, e-business suite team. Then we have other applications like PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. Prior to 2006, please concentrate. Prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP products available during that time. Oracle EBS is Oracle's own ERP application during that time. Even now also, prior to 2006, Oracle's ERP application was eBusiness Suite. Then PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. This is one ERP application. JD Edwards Enterprise and JD Edwards World. These are owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel is one application owned by Siebel Corporation. Prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP products available in the market owned by different companies team. But the concern during that time was none of the applications is very stable in all the business areas team. If you take Oracle e-business suite, Oracle's own ERP product team, Oracle EBS is very good at financials business area, but EBS is not that stable at HR, operations or CRM team. Oracle EBS is very stable at financials business area. Hyperion is very good at reporting part. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management, sales. JD Edwards is good at procurement and financials. PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS. PeopleSoft was a leader in the HCM area team during that time. But the problem here was none of the applications in the market are very good or matured in all the business areas team. Then Oracle did one thing. What? In the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition. What is the amount, team? In the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired PeopleSoft. Oracle acquired JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. Whatever the best technologies in the market during that time, Oracle acquired, okay, purchased all those applications team. With $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all the company's products team. EBS is anyhow their own product. Then what Oracle did team, they have taken the best knowledge from all these applications. From EBS, they have taken financial knowledge. From PeopleSoft, they have taken HR business knowledge. From JD Edwards, they took procurement and financial knowledge. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. They have taken the best knowledge from these applications in the market team. And in the year 2011, Oracle introduced these Fusion applications in the open world. In 2006, they acquired the applications. And in 2011, Oracle announced these Fusion applications in the open world. Now, some of you might be getting a question. Kumar, we are in 2024. You are telling that Fusion applications introduced in 2011. Is it that old product, 13 years old product it is? Definitely not, team. Oracle announced the applications into the open world in 2011. But all their beta versions team, testing phases, all those happens during that time. Accurately, if you ask me team, from 2015 and 2016 onwards only, the actual Fusion applications market started. It took 3 to 4 years to stabilize the system and to penetrate into the market team. From 2015 and 16 onwards only, the actual market capturization started for Fusion application team. So now the market for Fusion is at peak stage. As I told you, the applications are now very much matured in all the business areas, not only HCM team, in financials, in supply chain, in procurement, in CRM, in all the business areas. Now the Fusion applications are very stable and very mature team. That is the reason many companies in the market using these Fusion applications in their day-to-day business activities team. That is the reason the demand for this technology been increasing day by day. Okay. So this is about team Fusion evaluation path or Fusion applications built on best business processes. The best knowledge from all these taken and these applications were built team. Okay. And then Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. What is that team? As I told you, Fusion applications are completely, one second team, just give me a second. Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology team. So what I will just, I have on shared team. I'm sharing again. So if I go to the Google Chrome or any browser in the system team, like how you can able to access the Fusion applications team, deployed through selection of options. As the name itself telling, the technology, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So the applications are completely offering on a cloud-based model now. If any company or a customer buy this product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered, you know, team? Just in the form of URL. No need to install the application anywhere in the laptop or in the computer team, just in the form of web link. This is the application URL team. Just like this, if you copy paste the URL in any of the search engines, Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything, just pass that URL team and give a search. Okay, and give a search. Now see, the screen is loading. I will be entering into the Fusion applications team. Actually, it will ask for login, user ID and password. But in my laptop, they are auto-saved team. That's why automatically taken up. Actually, it will pop up like this. When you pass the URL, it will prompt you, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud, user ID and password team. Once you give the details and once you sign in, you can able to access the Fusion Cloud applications. This is the user interface, the look and feel of the Fusion applications team. Did I install this software in my laptop or in my computer? No, just a web link. I went to Google Chrome, I passed the web link and I could able to access into the system. This is what cloud-based technology. Any software that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud-based technology. So nowadays, this is the most prominent technology happening in the market team. Every customer moving towards the cloud-based models because this is easy to access, right? I don't need any infrastructure. I don't need any servers, nothing. Everything will be maintained by Oracle team. Just if I pass my URL, then I could able to access the Fusion application. So the introduction to this part I will take up in tomorrow's class team. What are these functionalities? What are these icons? How we can able to access? What are all these home screen functionalities? In tomorrow's class, I will talk about these things. Let me move on to today's concept team. Okay. So this is about Fusion applications. So I can describe them. They built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes and they can be deployed through selection of options. Now team, types of companies involved. This is very much important to understand team. As I told you, any software application in the market you take, not necessarily Oracle Fusion team, any software application, in the usability of that technology team, typically 3 companies will be involved. Even from the last 20 minutes team, frequently I'm using a word client, customer. So you have to know team. We have 3 types of companies. One is service provider. Second is client or the customer company. Third is consulting companies team. What are these 3? We have to understand clearly. First is service provider. This is vendor, means team, company who is selling the product. So whose product is this Oracle Fusion applications team? This is belongs to Oracle Corporation. So Oracle India Private Limited will be selling this product in the market team. This is the service provider. Oracle Fusion applications are owned by Oracle Corporation team. So service provider or the vendor is nothing but company who is selling the product. Example, Oracle India Private Limited team. Forget about these remaining. I will tell you in next 2 minutes. Okay, team, now Oracle selling the product. Who is the client or the customer company team? Company who is purchasing that Oracle product and using in their day-to-day activities team. Client or the customer. So company who purchasing the product from Oracle and using that in their day-to-day HR operations team. For example, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure, Tata Group, anything you take. In our example team, for example, Reliance Industries want to use Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications as their HR software in their company team in order to maintain all their HR operations. So now Reliance bought the product from Oracle. Okay. Oracle is the service provider company. Reliance bought the application from Oracle. Now Reliance is the client or the customer company team who is buying and using the product. But the concern here is team, Reliance Industries is not an IT company. They're into different industries team. Reliance wants someone who will configure the application according to their business requirement team. So what Reliance will do, Reliance will reach to consulting companies in the market. So consulting companies, nothing but companies who is implementing the product according to the client requirement team. So-called IT companies, software companies in the market like Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, whatnot. Any company you can take team. Okay. Prem Sai, this is a demo class. So we have to look at the background of the application. Definitely it will be covered. So probably in the due course of time. First of all, what is this technology? What all modules comes we are covering here? Okay. So once the demo is completed, from tomorrow you can see the actual setups, everything. So consulting companies means what team? Companies who is implementing the product team. So these are the companies where we will be actually working team. Once you learn this technology, we will be working here in these companies, okay, as a HCM consultants, Oracle Fusion HCM consultant. Now Reliance bought the product from Oracle. Now Reliance given the project to Deloitte. So Deloitte will be the implementation company or the consulting company who is going to implement the application according to their requirement team. So typically, these are the types of companies involved in any software application. Service provider company, client or the customer who buying the product and using in their company, and consulting companies team. So we will be starting our careers in these consulting companies as a Oracle Fusion HCM consultant. Once our company receives the projects team, we will be deployed for that projects, and we will be working on the configurations and implementation of the application team. So in this training program, we will be explaining you the end-to-end implementation of the application team, the end-to-end configuration of the application once you get into the project. Okay, this is about types of companies involved team, right? Right? And then moving on to Fusion environment releases team. Moving on to Fusion environment releases. What is that team? I told you in the year 2011, Oracle introduced this product in the market. Correct. So what is the version they came up in the market team? In 2011, when Oracle introduced the product team, they came up with the version of R1, because every software will have the release versions team. So when Oracle introduced this product in the market in 2001, they came up with R1. Since then, the application evolved, and now we are in 2024. The latest version of the Fusion application is R13. Now, as of today, the latest version of the Fusion application is R13 team. So from R1 to R13, the release versions upgraded. So here, what happens if you go to the background team bit, from release 1 to release 10, from release 1 to release 10, Oracle Fusion applications are offered both on-premise and cloud-based subscription team. During these releases, whoever the customers bought the Fusion applications team, application delivered both on-premise and cloud-based. Cloud-based means what? As I shown the application, nothing to be maintained by the client or the customer. They will buy the product from Oracle. Everything will be maintained by the Oracle team, like the application, server, data, networking, upgradation, maintenance, security, everything Oracle only will maintain team. Clients or the customers will buy the product and they can use the application team. But in on-premise model team, this is the old traditional application model team. If a customer buying the model in on-premises, as the name itself telling, on-premise, in your office premises, along with the application, companies have to buy server and they have to install that in their office premises, and the application maintenance, then the networking, storage, maintenance. So the team is required team, DBA administrator, security specialist, network engineers, okay, data engineers. Companies used to hire these people and they used to maintain team. That is the old traditional deployment option. So during the releases of release 1 to release 10, Oracle offered their applications in both on-premise and cloud. So during that time, whoever the company is buying the product team, either they can choose cloud option or on-premise option. But from release 11 onwards team, Oracle stopped on-premise model and completely now the Fusion applications are in cloud-based technology. If anyone asks you the Fusion applications is on what, you tell that completely Fusion applications are on cloud-based technology. So actually release 13, we reached out in 2017 end and early 2018 team. During this time only, the application version came to R13. Since then, Oracle made this as a static version for Fusion team. Okay. Since then, Oracle made R13 as a static version. Going forward also team, you will not be finding any change in this version. So anyone ask you, Fusion application release version R13. So they made it as a static. Going forward also, there won't be any change in that team. So from release 11 onwards team, completely Fusion applications are offering only on a cloud-based subscription. There is no on-premise model team. Okay. So this is the release versions team. Now I want to talk about team upgradation policy. How the Fusion applications upgradation working in the market team. So Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy team. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. What do you mean by quarterly upgradation policy team? Every year, how many quarters we have? Usually quarter means 3 months. In a year, we have 12 months divided by 3. We have 4 quarters in the year. So Oracle designated quarters in the alphabets of A, B, C, and D. Okay. Oracle categorized the quarters in the alphabets of A, B, C, D. First quarter, Jan to March. Second quarter, April to June. Then July to September. Then October to December. So in a year, we have 4 quarters team. So Oracle designated the quarters into A, B, C, D. This is quarter 1, quarter 2, 3, 4. So team, every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application. These are very important things to know and the fundamental things to know. Without this, if you directly jump into the system, that is not that useful thing. These are all the basic roots. When the application introduced it, what are the versions in that? What is the current version? What is the policy they follow? Without this, all the things will be a question mark to you. That is the reason first we are seeing the fundamentals and we will enter into the configurations from tomorrow team. Okay. So quarterly upgradation policy, Fusion applications will be following team. Every year, 4 times they will provide the application upgrade team. Kumar, what happens upgradation means? In your mobile, when your software is upgrading team, let's say Android 7.1 to 8.2 or iOS 10.1 to 11.5, something. When the softwares are upgrading in your mobile, what happens? Some new enhancements will be bringing in the mobile. Some new features you will be experiencing. Some existing old features might be removed, whatever unused by majority of the population. Correct? Within the Fusion applications also, team, Fusion Oracle basically investing a lot in the research and development. Continuously, Oracle trying to improvise their applications team. Any bugs or issues there in the system, they will try to fix them. And any new enhancements, any new functionalities they want to bring in the system, they will bring in. So every 3 months, when they're upgrading the application team, phenomenal changes we won't experience, but functionality specific, small, minor enhancements, new functionalities, everything Oracle will bring. Because year by year, the application also should evolve according to the business needs in the market team. So whoever the company is using the application, according to their business needs, the application should evolve. So every 3 months, Oracle will give the upgrade to their application team. So let us see, as of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion application team. Okay. So today is 28th May. So where you can go team, once after you entering into the application, if you want to check the latest version, what the application is, here team, in the right side, we have settings and action in your username area. If you click on that, settings and action will open up team. Okay. Settings and actions will open up team. If you click on this, and here in the settings and action at the bottom, you have team about this application. If you go here, you can able to see the application version team. What is this? Current version of the Fusion application 24B. and we have something like 11.13.24.04. Kumar, you are telling that it is release 13, no? R13, no? Then what is this 24B? Yes, the Fusion versions will start with R13 and the quarterly information will be there. See everywhere, application development framework, REL 13. Then middleware extensions, if you see, REL 13. Database compatibility, REL 13. So the latest version of the Fusion application as of today, May 28th, is this one team. Release 13.24B. This is the Fusion application version team. Nowhere you will be getting all this information. In Google, if you search also, nowhere you will find all these things team. Okay. So please know all these things. This is very much important. Even in the interviews also, you will be getting the questions with respective to the Fusion upgradation policies and all team. Okay. So one announcement team, our admin team trying to reach you out to fill the Google form. People who want to reach out to us for the enrollments, please fill the form so that we can able to share the enrollment details team. It's in the chat button. Please find out. I think admin person Verma sharing the Google form link. Please fill that. Okay. So team, the current latest version from the Fusion applications team, R13.24B. What is this 24B, Kumar? See, we are in 2024 now. B means the second quarterly upgrade. We are in which month now? We are in the month of May. April, May, June is the second quarter. Correct? So 24B we are currently team. So last quarter was 24A. Next, once we enter July team, by that time we complete the course, 3 months, right? So July we will enter, you will be seeing the upgrade team. The application will upgrade to 24C. Then last quarter it will upgrade to 24D. Every quarter when the application upgrading, the versioning will flow like this team. Whatever the quarterly upgrade, by looking at that we can able to understand. This is 2024 second quarterly upgrade. B means second quarter team. April, May, June. We are in the month of May. Now we are in the latest application version team. So your training also will happen on the current latest version of the Fusion applications team. So this is how you have to observe team, the release version. Next quarter, the version will change to 24C, then 24D. Next year, you will be entering 25A, then 25B, 25C, 25D. Every year, the release versionings will flow like this team. R13 will be static, but these numbers will be changed according to the quarterly upgrade. Every 3 months, when the application upgrading, the versions will upgrade in this sequence team. 24 stands for the financial year, and this is the quarter which we are in currently team. What are these numbers, Kumar? 11.13.24. 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the applications in the market. 2011. 13 stands for release 13, R13. Okay. Then 24 stands for the current financial year, 2024. And 04 stands for second quarterly upgrade we are in. In the second quarterly upgrade, April month is what team? The start month, Jan, Feb, March, April. Fourth month it is in the numbers if you see. So 04 means the second quarter, first month number team, 04. Next quarter, you can take the screenshot of this or anyhow recording will be there. The version will come like this. When we enter July team, when the third quarterly upgrade coming, the version will go like this. 24C, 11.13.24. July month is what? 7th month, 07.0. So the next version will be this one team. If anyone want, you can take the screenshot and compare. When we reach out to July, the version will come like this, team. So this is the quarterly upgradation policy. In the projects team, once you start working in the real time, once you get into the project of any client, when these quarterly upgrades are happening, team, every 3 months, when the upgrade Oracle giving to the application team, certain activities we will be doing, like before the upgrade, some testing activities we will do, all the functionalities testings. After upgrade, we will call them as regression testing, sanitary checks, and we will call them as impact analysis with the new functionalities and all. So I will cover all that activities, what we will do in our workshop sessions, team. Along with the training, from the point of placements, we will be taking up workshop classes. In real time, once you enter into the projects, what will be your day-to-day life? What is the implementation project life cycle? Like from kickoff meeting with the client till go live, what are the different phases will be there? At each phase, what documents we will prepare to the client. So I will be taking a workshop session on implementation project, and if you are deployed in support projects, how the tickets will come, what is meant by ticket, within how many hours you have to resolve the issue. These are not subjects, these are theory, which is something in real time, because I know people usually will try to manipulate their experiences and you will be trying for the jobs. You really didn't work on the application. Learning, okay, with the due training period, you will be understanding all the configuration setups, everything. But when you are appearing for the interviews, some real-time questions will be asked at team to understand whether you are a genuine person or not. Like if you get a question, can you tell me what will be your day-to-day activities in the project? What you will tell? You know Fusion HCM applications, you know all the modules, how to configure. Technically, how to use the application, configure. If questions comes from the subject, you will answer. What about the general questions? Can you tell me what are your day-to-day activities? Or currently, what is the phase that you are in the project? So in CRP1, what all activities you will do? These all are very generic questions. If you really work in the projects only, you can answer. For that matter, we will be taking some workshops on placement activities team, giving you the lights on implementation project lifecycle, support project lifecycle. Okay. During that time, I will let you know, team, what are the activities that we will be performing, because you might be getting a question when the quarterly upgrade happening in the company. Okay. What are the activities that you will be doing? So that all things also required to know. So during that workshop sessions, I will tell you. But as of now, I want everyone to be clear on the upgradation policy. What is the versioning that Oracle Fusion applications following? Quarterly upgradation and the numbering, they follow like this: A, B, C, D, and the financial year followed by the code like this, team. So this is the Fusion environment releases, team. Now, moving on to the modules that we have in this particular technology. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. This is our technology that which we are going to learn, right? So what all concepts we have in this technology? Very important to learn, team, know, team. And within that, in order to get ready for the job or to sustain in the job, what all things that you should learn, and where any coding requirements are there or not, that all I'm going to explain here now. And the career opportunities in this technology, we will see that, team. So basically, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications categorized into two sections, team. One is functional and the other one is technical. First, let me list down all the modules and the concepts we have, and then I will tell you, team, what comes under functional and what comes under technical, team. Okay. So in Fusion HCM Cloud applications, team, we have different modules, like we have core HR or global HR, team. You can call it any name. This is one module, team. Then we have absence management. This is one module we have. Okay. Then we have payroll management. This is one module we have. I'm listing out all the modules and the concepts we have in this technology theme without missing any point. We have core HR, absence, payroll, and talent management. Okay. In talent team, we have the sub modules like profiles, GM, goals management, PM, performance management, succession management, and talent review. Okay. We have sub modules within the talent team. Then we have something like compensation and benefits team. Usually these two are two different modules, but to spell together, we usually call as compensation and benefits team. But these are two different modules only. Then we have modules like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have some advanced modules like OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Okay. Oracle Learning Cloud, OLC. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Okay. Then we have some modules like Help Desk and Safety, HCM Communicate. Okay. And we have some modules like this team. So these are the total modules we have in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. A part of these modules, okay, a part of these modules, we have some more concepts team like security administration, okay, then workflows and approval management. Then we have customizations, okay, and personalizations. Okay, we have a concept called a sandbox, okay, or HCM design studio. Okay, we have a couple of concepts like customization and personalization. And then team, we have something like inbound integrations, and we have team outbound integrations. Okay, in inbound integrations team, we have something like we have the tools like HCM data loader, that in short we will call it as HDL, and we have spreadsheet data loader, in short we will call it as SDL. And in outbound integrations team, we have the tools like BI reports, BI publisher reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. A part of this team, we have one concept called fast formulas. Okay. I'm trying to list out all the concepts that we have in this technology team without missing anything. So these are the total concepts we have in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. Now, among these, what comes under functional and what comes under technical? All the modules will come under functional team. All the modules will come under functional team. Okay. And these concepts will come under technical. Okay. Technical. These concepts comes under technical team. So here, if you personally ask me, security, workflows, and customizations and personalizations, even these three concepts also, I will tell that they are part of functional only, as Oracle also telling team. But if you see any training institutes, okay, if it is mine, Triotech, or any other institutes in the market, in the technical training, these will be covered. In functional, people will not cover team. But in real-time projects, the functional consultant only will be working on these also team. But as a course curriculum wise to break up, These we are categorizing into technical, but actually they are also part of functional team. We have all these modules team. Core technical concepts are these things. Even fast formulas also team, functional people will handle in the projects, because though it is a technical concept, functional people will be working on payroll and absence configurations. Either they can do, or they can take the help of the technical consultants and they can do. Core technical concepts are these things team. Remaining all are functional in the system. So what are all these modules? I will give a quick walkthrough team. We have a modules like core HR or global HR. In this module team, employee management will be happen. Okay. Like what are the client's organizations for whoever the client we are working team, what are the organizations they have, how many companies they have, what are the departments, operation units, different jobs, positions, grades, everything. And in the core HR module, employee hiring to terminating, entire employee management will happen in this module. Hiring of an employee, their transfers, their promotions, their demotions, their resignations, everything will handle in core HR module team. In absence module, it is a leave management module team. As we all know, in every organization, different leaves will be provided to the employees. So what are the leaves that providing? What are their policies, calculations, and assigning that leaves, employees booking the leaves, that all will be provided in absence management module. Then payroll team. This is a salary management module. Like in every organization team, companies will be paying salaries to their employees, correct? So in the payroll module, that salary management we will be looking at. Then talent management. Usually in every organization's team, once the year is completed, performance appraisals will be conducted. Correct? Managers will give their ratings and then it will be decided whether the employee to be promoted or demoted. That all performance appraisals related things we will be configuring in the talent management module team. Then compensation and benefits. So a part of salary, if any compensations that you want to pay to the employee, okay, something like uh, organization want to pay some bonus, or organization want to pay some additional allowances or some stocks, shares to be given to the employees, that all will be handled in the compensation module team. Benefits module is their team, particularly in countries like US. If you take, employees will be eligible for certain benefits team, certain insurance plans, dental insurance, Medicare insurances, like that. So that all will be handled in the benefits module team. Then OTL, we have one module, Oracle Time and Labor. If you people are working in any organizations, you know, when you enter the organization, your time record will be done. It might be biometric punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, or timesheet filling. The attendance recording team, everything will be handled in this OTL module, Oracle Time and Labor. Then Oracle came up with some advanced modules team, Oracle Learning Cloud, ORC, Help Desk, Communicate, like that. OLC, nothing but team. Again, if organization want to conduct any trainings to their employees team and they want to conduct some exams for certifications or something, OLC module will be there. We can create the courses in that. We can map that courses to the employees. Employees will play that courses and they will complete that, and the examinations will be taken, certificates will be issued. So it's a kind of learning act center team. So in any organization, if the company want to train their employees on any things, the courses can be designed and tagged to the employees. That will be happened in the Oracle Learning Cloud module. Then Oracle Recruiting Cloud. So in every organization team, the recruitment activities to handle. It means what? First of all, companies will identify the need of the position team. Let's say in sales department, we have to recruit one sales trainee. There is a business requirement. So business will reach out to the HR for recruitment team. HR people will post the jobs in different job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed. They will download the profiles. They will schedule the interview. They will do the interviews, release the offers. They will onboard. So the entire recruitment activities, okay, conducting the interviews, selecting the employees and hiring them, everything will be handled in Oracle Recruiting Cloud module team. Then help desk can communicate. These are internal ticketing tools. So any ticketing tools, if you people have any prior support project experiences, you know how we have ServiceNow, how we have Jira. Within Fusion applications only, it's a ticketing module team. If client using the Fusion HCM Cloud applications and they want to develop a support tool within their organization, like anyone can communicate between to and fro departments team, any issues they want to report to the higher management or anything, this is the module available team. So these are the different modules we have in the Fusion application catering different HR business areas team. Then we have security administration. This will be dealing with the security team. Now, when I shown you the application team, system asking me, when I'm trying to log in into the system asking me for user ID and password. So how these user accounts will be created. And once I log in into the system team, I could able to see several functionalities in the system. What all functionalities that I can able to access in the system. That all team will be handling in the security administration module, the user account management and the access management to the employees. How will be handled? We are going to see in security. Then team, in every organization, workflows and approvals will be there. It means what? My client is telling, Kumar, in my organization, whenever employee apply the leave, it should go for employee's approval. Employee approves only, it should be taken. Or when HR hiring the employee in the system, it should go to HR's manager for approval. So any transactions we performing in the system, if you want to send that for an approval, we have a module called workflows and approvals module team. So for all the transactions here, as per your client requirement, we will define the rules to whom the approval should send or all that we will handle here. And we have a concept called sandbox team. Like client is telling, by default application will come with these themes and all. Client is telling, Kumar, here I want my Reliance logo, and background blue color, I want to change it to white color. And these fonts I want in another font. And these icons I want in another way. So any customizations and personalizations you want to do to the application team, we have a concept called a sandbox. So that is one module we have in the system. Then inbound integrations. Whenever we go for a project implementation team, let's say team, we gone for the project, let's say Reliance Industries is the client team who bought the project or application from Oracle. Now Reliance Industries given the project to Deloitte, okay, for implementing the application according to their requirement. We will be working in consulting companies, I told you, right? So whenever we are working on the implementation team, before Oracle, let's say Reliance using SAP as their Fusion application, as their HR application team. In SAP system, they are having some 20,000 employees data team. Okay. So when we implementing the Fusion applications now, all the clients existing data, not only employees data team, it respective to any of these modules related data from the client's existing application to Fusion system, we have to bulk upload. Inbound integration, any data that you are inbounding into the Fusion system team. So in order to bulk upload any data, we have two data migration tools Oracle given called HDL and SDL team. So that we have here. Then in the Fusion application team, we have outbound integration. These are reports team. Any data, now we implemented all the modules to the client in the scope, we hand over team. Now our client side people started using the system, Reliance HR people using for the day-to-day HR activities team. They want to extract some reports team. Today, in the month of May, how many newly joined people are there? Or in the month of May, how many people applied annual leave? Any sort of reports from any modules team, if they want to extract, we have three reporting tools Oracle given. BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts team. So these are reporting tools. And we have one concept called fast formula. So in absence module, payroll module, compensation, benefits module team, in order to maintain certain calculations, certain validations, we will be using fast formulas team. So these are the total concepts we have in the Fusion HCM Cloud application. Now, coming to the SQL requirement team. In this BI reports area team, you will be required to learn SQL team, because the BI reports in the Fusion application will be built based on the SQL query, that too only select statements, not everything team. Except here, no other place in the system you require any language skills or any coding skills team. That is why I'm telling it is zero coding application. Now the concern, Kumar, we are not aware of SQL. We don't know. And I don't want to learn it. I can't learn it also. I won't understand that. Fair enough, team. You don't keep this component in your resume, because people who working on this technology, no one in the market will have knowledge on all the aspects, team. No, definitely no. Even I also don't know a couple of concepts in that. Okay. Any consultant working in the market, he might have 15, 20, 30 years experience also. None of them will have knowledge on all the aspects, team. Typically, what required that you can keep in the resume, they are sufficient, team. Everything you don't need to learn, that is pretty much clear as per the market requirements also, team. So please ignore this concept. People who have any prior experience of SQL, team, then you can keep this also in the resume. Except this concept, nowhere in the system you require any coding skills or any prior language requirements like SQL, PLSQL, XML, JSON, nothing, not at all required. It's a very pure functional application, team. Already application designed and developed by Oracle. When a customer buy this product from Oracle, team, we will be configuring the application, their data in the system according to their requirement. Okay. So here we require, team. Some will have the concern with the fast formulas also. The next topic is, what is that? Without having the SQL knowledge, can we learn fast formulas? Definitely you can learn. Fast formula is a concept where Oracle designed this with a combination of English and mathematics statements. But certain PLSQL or SQL procedurals functionalities being used in the fast formula when it go to complex level. But without having the prior knowledge of this also, we can able to work on fast formula. Take it as granted. It doesn't require that you need to be a pro on SQL to learn fast formula. Without that, we can handle. We are going to help you that how to learn the fast formula, and many sample fast formulas with respective to different modules ready-madely we develop for our students. We are going to give you. Don't worry about this. Okay. Now team, within this functional and technical we have, when we are applying for the jobs, what sort of profiles that we have to apply? See, market is very clear, team. Functional consultants recruitment is going on. Technical consultants recruitment is going on. And the most important and high demanded techno-functional consultant. This is the high demanded profile, team. So when you are dropping the resume, either you can drop as a functional consultant. Okay. Either you can drop as a functional consultant by learning the modules, or core technical consultant, or techno-functional consultants, team. See, if you take a project team, any client project you take, if 10 resources are working, 10 people are working in that project team, the weightage will be like this, team. Functional resources will be 7 to 8. Technical resources will be only maximum 1 or 2 people, team. 1 or 2. Now you can understand which is having high demand in the market. Functional always will have the high demand in the market team. Out of 10 resources in a project, 7 to 8 will be functional. Only 1 to 2 will be technical resources team. Why? Because in Fusion application, compared to EBS team, the technicality scope is very less in the Fusion system. Even the functional resources can able to handle all this stuff. Okay. So team, only core technical concepts, if you learn, it's useless. You don't have much calls in the market for this team. Either you drop as a core functional or opt as a techno functional. This is of very high demanded team. Means what? Rather than taking two people, if a company recruit one employee with having both the knowledges, that will be a cost saving for them. That is the reason now the market inclined towards techno-functional profiles team. Our training program also, we redefined by looking at the market trends into techno-functional course team. So both functional and technical will be covered. Coming to our curriculum team, among these modules, we are going to cover these modules and the compensation part also will be given to you. And then all these concepts will be covered on the technical front. Okay. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. From this technical side, security, workflows, sandbox, HDL, spreadsheet, BI, OTBI, extracts, and fast formula. So all these concepts will be covered as part of this training program. I do request any candidate who learning the technology team, do learn techno-functional if you want to go with a high packages in the market team. And if your profile should also be screened quickly when you drop the resume in the Naukri also, techno-functional will have very high weightage. Even these also, whatever the curriculum that we offering, when you dropping the resume, you don't require all these things also team. At least 2 to 3 modules, at least 2 to 3 modules from the functional side. From technical side, security, workflows, customization, HDL spreadsheet. BA reports you don't know, then leave it. SQL you are not familiar with, leave it. Keep just these concepts and OTBI extracts you can keep along with them. Even then your profile will be called as techno-functional. Whatever that you are having an issue, you can skip that one thing. Even then, as we keeping remaining all, your profile will be considered as technical also along with functional team. So these are the total concepts we have. So I hope everyone understood now what is functional, what is technical, and what are the components that we are covering as part of the training program team, right? So try to drop the profile after learning from the point of techno-functional consultant team. Okay. Now, let me get into the course offerings team. So with this program, what are the features that you are going to get? So basically, it's going to be a 3 months duration course team with 90 plus hours of program. End-to-end implementation training will be provided to you. And the timings every day will be, sorry, it's not 8 p.m. team. It is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. As it is a demo today, we extended for more 40 minutes team. But from tomorrow, it will be sharp 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So we request everyone, please join on time so that we can able to complete, because we have some working professionals joining the class and they have to go to their offices after the class team. So I request everyone, please join on time from tomorrow by 8 a.m. So Monday to Friday will be the classes, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., 1 hour per day. Saturday and Sunday, you will not be having the classes team. You can use that as a practice days for that too. So Monday to Friday, 3 months, 90 hours of duration team. Within this program, already our admin team reaching out to you for the enrollments team. Today we had the demo. From tomorrow, we are going to start with the regular classes team. So whatever the topics we left out today, like the repository certification, I will continue in tomorrow's session, and we are going to start with our regular classes from tomorrow team. Whoever are interested to enroll for this program, please do confirm the enrollments with the payments today, team, so that we will be sharing you the application access, videos access, and adding you into the May batch WhatsApp community team. So you will be having the lifetime recordings to the classes. How you can access the classes team? It's not something like we are going to share you the Google Drive links or something. We have our own dedicated LMS portal team. Once you search with Triotech software trainings, you will have the live classes login. If you go here, and once you pass your user credentials team, you can able to, okay, you can able to see the dashboard here team. You can go to the enrolled courses and your course will be here team. Every day, all the sessions will be uploaded here. So you don't need to wait for anyone to send anything. Everyday sessions with topic wise, module wise, you can able to see team. You can click on the session and you can able to play the recording here team. The passwords, everything will be given to you after the enrollment team. So your account will be created. Once you receive the email, you can able to reset the password team. It will be for lifetime. All the recordings will be there with you for lifetime. And along with the training and the video recordings team, you will be provided with the instance. Okay. You will be providing with the instance for practicing team. 5 months of the 5 months application access will be given. Here, the most important point you have to understand. What is that? Compared to outside and in Triotech with Kumar, what the benefit you get? We are providing you private server access. Private server means non-refreshable environment. Entire 5 months, you can able to practice one full life cycle of implementation in the application team. Usually, you will be getting the public environments team, demo instances. Every 3 days, every 5 days, they will refresh. All the data will be lost. You have to reconfigure everything. But in Triotech, you will be getting the private server for a period of 5 months team. So you will be getting this benefit exclusively from us. We have our own private environment that you will be given for 5 months in this program team. And for every module, student manuals with step-by-step. I'm not talking about the Oracle documents team. We will be having our own documents. If you see this one, this is the material for core HR team. Every day class-wise, the notes with screenshots and navigations. It's a 130-page document team, if you could see. With an explanation of that, okay, with an explanation and with the screenshots, step by step. If you don't have the time to go through the classes or the recordings team, if you follow this document also, you can able to complete your module team with step by step, the implementation manual team. So these materials for every module will be given to you after your enrollment. These all are downloadable team. Once the enrollment completed, all the repository with the drive link will be shared with you and all they are downloadable. You can able to access. Coming to the placement assistance, learning is not important. Everywhere you will get. What sort of support from Triotech, from Kumar you will be getting. So one-to-one doubt assistance will be there team. A dedicated WhatsApp support will be there. Every day between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening, you can able to reach out in the WhatsApp or even you can call them directly. Okay. That WhatsApp support you will be getting after the enrollment team. That will be there. And for every module, the real-time projects assignments will be given like this. So if you could see, this is one of the sample assignment we have shared for the core HR module. We will ask the scenarios team and we will ask you to configure that in the system and you have to submit back. For every module, real-time project assignments will be given to you. Whatever the projects that I personally worked on, from that also some requirements from absence module or payroll module you take, I will be giving the requirements from that so that you will get the hands-on knowledge on the real-time projects implementation team. This will be given to you as part of the placement assistance team. And every profile, it might be fresher, it might be experienced, or it might be from non-IT experience to IT. Any kind of person, if they want to prepare the resume after the training, I know some people will be having the gaps in between and you are planning to fill that gap and you want to proceed further. anything team, we'll be able to help you out. We'll be giving you the counseling for that, how many years that we can able to showcase, what sort of the approach we have to follow. Some people working in a HR domains as a recruiters or HRs, can we use the existing experience to move in? That all one-on-one we can discuss team. Whoever having their doubts, they can reach out on this number 8179563510. So for resume point team, we will be giving you 20-30 sample resumes, and our team will be helping you out team with respective to your gap filling, what projects to keep, how much of experience to keep. That resume preparation will be helping you from our team. And for every module, interview question and answers will be given. It's not about only questions team, both questions and answers. You can see this guide. This is only for core HR module, 24 pages document team. Every question and answers, both freshers and experienced scenario based team. So these booklets also will be given to you as part of the placement preparations team. And every Saturday morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in our office in Hyderabad, we will be conducting the mock interviews. People who are from Hyderabad, they can come to the office for practicing team. Every day morning 9:30 to 6:30 office will be open. If you want to come down for practicing, you can come. You can sit with other people and you can discuss and you can prepare. People who are not from Hyderabad, you can connect through us from the Zoom mock interview sessions team. So prior to every Saturday, 2 days before, like Wednesday or Thursday, if you confirm to us, then we can schedule the mock interviews as well team. So this is something important. Please make use of all these team. So mock interviews are something which will be conducted sometimes by myself, sometimes by the colleagues of mine, whoever currently working in the real-time projects team. So, so that you will understand what is the expectation currently in the market. Because your learning will be on one way, but the expectation in the interviews, the questions coming in the interview will be totally different. So attending the mocks will give you some information about how you can mold your preparation team. And we also provide the referrals for full-time and freelancing. Every month, companies will be reaching us for trained resources team. Whoever attending the mocks, we will be sharing their profiles to the companies as well team. And whenever we receive any job requirements, we will be posting up in the community you are in team. So if people observe in my WhatsApp status or in the communities already you are earlier in, every time job postings will be given to you. You can share the profiles by referring our Triotech name so that your profiles also will be scheduled for the interviews team. On top of this, I will be taking particularly from the point of placements, some workshops team, like starting with resume preparation, freshers experience it, how to create the resume, what points you have to keep. Then I will take the session on job postings in Naukri, Indeed, LinkedIn, how to reach the connections, how to create the accounts, how to upload the profile, how to get the interview schedule. This interview preparation tips workshop will be taken. Then project implementation. As I told you, team, if you are implementing the project and you are keeping that, if you are showcasing experience team, definitely you will get the question about implementation project team. What are the different phases we have in the project? From project management, kickoff meeting, as is study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, go live, hypercare support. What will happen? This entire things in the workshop session, we are going to explain. And what is RD50? BP80 means what? Or user manuals, BR100 document means what? How they looks like. These all things will be covered as part of the placement activities team. So it's not about only the training we are providing you, we are hand-holding you for the job placements as well team. So from our referral circle, the interviews will be scheduled, and parallelly, the prepared resume, you should also post in all the job portals. Whatever the way interviews get scheduled, after the 3 months of program, you will be in a situation to get the job team. One important thing, some of you might be getting a question here. What is that? Kumar, I'm trying to showcase some 3 to 4 years of relevant experience and I want to try. Does our training sufficient for that experience to showcase? Definitely yes. Within this 3 months program team, you will be getting the hands-on knowledge of one full life cycle of implementation team. So by completing this program in real time, if a person with 4 to 5 years of experience, if he really worked on 5 or 6 projects, what level of experience that he will be having, we will be trying to take you to that extent. It's not something just theory I'm going to take you through. The end-to-end implementation I'm going to take you through, team. Like if you see the sheet here, this is for our core HR module team. All the configurations, the implementation things, and the transactions part, like absence you take, all the configurations and transaction, payroll you take, all configurations. I'm going to implement this and I'm going to show you the transactions, end users, how they use the system, team. With this knowledge, the question from any point of view that you will be experiencing in the interview, you will be definitely able to answer it, team. So how the demo taken today detailedly, everyday sessions also will be covered in that detailedly, team. If you have prior experiences or not, you have nothing, you have a career gap, whatever it might be, you can learn this from scratch and you can able to get for the jobs ready, team. So here you can see the course offering fee. So the actual course fee will be 24,999, team. And we have an early bird offer valid for today and maximum for tomorrow. That is 22,999. Because first 2 days we will be having the enrollment drive. So we will be offering this price only for today and max till tomorrow, team. So here you will be getting one advantage. If you enroll by today or tomorrow with this early bird offer, team, usually you will get the private server access for 5 months. But here you will be getting 2 months of additional server access. Total 7 months you will get, team. People who are enrolling in this early bird offer. Post this, no one will be getting this offer, team. The price will be 24,999 and you will be getting 5 months of server access, which is a standard offering. But this is a early bird offer which we are giving only for today and tomorrow with 2 months. Usually the private server, if you inquire anywhere, team, it's hard to find in any institute. If they provide also monthly, they will charge you 3,000 to 4,000. So the worth rupees 6,000 you will be getting free in this training, team. And the discounted price you will be having 22,999 with 2 months of additional server access. So I request everyone, team, please confirm the enrollments by today so that we will be sharing you the access to the Triotech video course dashboard, instance access, materials drive folder. I'm talking about this drive folder, team. This one. This is the HCM batch materials drive folder. For every module, all the materials that we have consolidated module wise, the interview questions, then assignments, we have sample resumes, then module wise, the materials, everything, team. This access also will be given to you. So you can reach out to this number for the enrollment confirmation, team, or our team will be reaching out in the WhatsApp. We preferably use WhatsApp channel for any sort of discussions, team. Even going forward also, you can reach out to us in the WhatsApp, team. So if anyone not yet completed the Google form, please complete the form. And if anyone want to speak with me also, you can reach out on this number, team. Please take out the number from the chat button here. Just I'm posting out, team. You can find it out here. Okay, you can reach out here for the enrollment confirmation or any doubts you have, team. So I will be concluding here, team, and I will be taking the question and answers. But if you have any of these questions in your mind, whatever you are seeing on the slide, how to get a job in software industry without having any coding experiences. I have long career gap, no prior experiences, and I don't know how to prepare my CV to get the interview calls. And I don't know how to prepare for the interview, or I am not from IT background. I don't feel confident. Any of these things, if you have, team, absolutely, I think the demo class, what we have taken, have given the ice break for you. And one more question for the freshers, team. Do we have freshers interview call? Yes, definitely, team. Freshers also being recruited, team. The packages are having average of 4.5 to 6 lakhs for freshers. And if a person with relevant experience of 3 to 4 years, getting somewhere between 25 to 30 lakhs also team. So from our Triotech also, recently we have placed the candidates in DriveStream in Chennai and Trians from Hyderabad. For freshers, I'm talking with 4.2 to 6 lakhs average range of package as per their performance in the interview. So definitely the calls for freshers also there. And the impact of recession, everywhere you are hearing the recession team. The market is volatile in US everywhere. Take this as granted. ERP applications, not now. In 2011, when we got the biggest recession also team, ERP applications are not much impacted. Why? Because these are the basic applications used to run the business in any company. Correct? So without these technologies, organizations will not able to run their operations team. So whatever the recession comes in, the jobs issues or the losing of the jobs in these technologies are very, very, very minimal team. We don't have any impact. Even today, the recruitment on this technology is going on very high pace. Until and unless you are dumb, you are not, what to say, showcasing your skills in the job, then companies might be terminating you as a reason of recession. Until then, you don't have any issue team. So this is about today's demo we planned out. And if you want to see some of the job referrals that how we will be posting in the communities team here. Like this, we will be giving the HR numbers and the emails where you can able to apply for the jobs team. In your WhatsApp community, you will be getting. And recently, the students that placed in Deloitte, Accenture, Evosys, Apps Associate, and PwC. PwC also recruiting hugely on this technology team. So many of our candidates recruited in PwC as well. And you can see the students' Google feedbacks from the Google team. You can go and type Triotech software trainings. Then you can able to see the ratings from our students team. And also some of the placement proofs, people who got placed and they sharing back their experiences with us team. So these are from the students you can able to see here. So the technology is having very bright future team. If you could afford 3 months of your time, dedicatedly 1 hour of class and more 1 to 2 hours of practice, then definitely you could able to get into a very good job with high pay team. So now moving on to the question and answers. Let me unmute team. So people having any questions, please feel free to ask me now. Okay. So any questions team, you can please unmute and you can ask. Yes, who is that? Deepthi K, I can see a question from the certification. See, basically, Deepthi, after the course completion for all our participants, we will be providing the course completion certificate. This will be given to you. If you want to appear for the Oracle certification, then we will help you out with the process of dumps. In tomorrow's class, I'm going to introduce to you that certification process. Okay. Then Samsung, I don't know who is the name. Do you have evening classes? As of now, this batch is morning 8 to 9. Evening batch will be starting in the month of July end, because already in the month of April, we started the evening batch. Again, that new batch will be in the July end, not next month, July. Then Indu, can you tell me the previous? See, as I told you, Indu, that whatever the screenshot I have shown you, we have the placements happening every month. Usually we have the batch size every month. Out of that, we are seeing at least 50-60% of the placement people are getting placed from our side directly or from the interviews that are directly getting scheduled. This is an online course completely, but people coming who want to come to the institute, you can come every day. We are based out in Hyderabad, beside Forum Mall in KPHB 9th phase. So you can come, you can sit, other participants also will be there. You can discuss and you can learn. If you have any doubts also, I will be also available in the office. You can able to discuss with me. And no need to post, you can just ask me, because too many questions if I get, I even can't able to scroll up. You can just unmute and you can ask me your questions. Anand, any question to you?
Yeah, hi Kumar.
Hi,
This is
Anand.
Harshad here.
Arshad, okay.
Yeah, so I have like total 1.5 years of experience in SQL and PL SQL development.
Okay.
Yeah, so like it is like basically like a support plus enhancement, you can say. Like your project is already gone live, so we are like making code fixes. So
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to know, like, is there any part here? Like I saw there, like there is a part where VSQL is can be used
Hmm.
in the BI report. So is there any
Correct.
part where we can use PLSQL as well? And
You can use BI reports can be built on different languages, but usually SQL is the highly used language in the BI reports. Even PLSQL procedures also you can able to write. So you want to switch from SQL background to Fusion means whatever the existing experience, you can able to change it and keep Oracle HCM experience and try for jobs. Then your profile will be screened.
okay, okay. Like total, I have like 2.5 years of experience, but experience in Oracle VSQL and
And
PLSQL is 1.5. Yeah.
no problem. That same experience, you can change the roles and responsibilities. You can discuss that with me offline, okay? So that I will
Okay.
guide you how to do that.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Yeah.
No problem. Yeah. And Ravi, logistic social HR module will be really. See, Ravi Prasad, as I told you, you from any background, the only thing is we have to prepare the resume accordingly. Something we have to show some sort of relevant experience of this technology. But how to do that and all, I will be explaining you on that one to one, okay?
Sir,
And
how much of fast formulas is actually required? Because and moreover, this workforce structures and everything, will it be covered in this? Means the approvals and approvals and workforce things, will it be covered in this session also? The whatever that you're proposing.
can I know full name? Who is this? I missed.
Venkat, sir, Venkat.
Venkat Cherukuri.
No, no, sir, Venkat. My name is Venkat. Yeah.
Venkat. Hi, Venkat. Yeah. Yeah. See, Venkat, as I told you in the session, all the workforce structures will be covered as part of the core HR module. Fast formula from the point of absence module and payroll module will be covered. After this training, you will be able to write the fast formula on your own.
This fast
Okay.
formula is based on which
See, it's
language exactly?
based on mathematics, English statements, and slight conceptuals from SQL as well.
Sure, sir. And this approvals and other things are there, right? So will it be also covered as part of this course, sir?
That I already mentioned, that will be covered
Yeah,
definitely, yes,
yeah,
because that is one of the important concept here. We have see
yeah.
workflows and approvals.
Yeah, and security administration also, right?
Yes, whatever
Yeah,
that I highlighted in the bold, that all will be
yeah.
covered.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Hi, Kumar. I have a question. Can
Hi.
you please answer? Like you have mentioned, multiple modules there. Let's say if I want to be specialized in talent management or let's say absence management, will that suffice or help me to get a job?
100% it will be suffice. Whatever that I highlighted, these are actually sufficient modules. Any 2 to 3 modules from the functional and some concepts from technical are sufficient. If you have the bandwidth and if you want to keep all the modules at whatever we are training you, then that is fair enough. But out of that, at least 2, 3 core absence payroll also sufficient.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, sir. My name is Naini. Sir,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
just want to know, I can see all our service-based companies openings only you have shown me. Shall we get any product-based company openings also for this HCM?
You will get how it works is in product based. It means if they are having the usability of in-house of Oracle HCM cloud applications. Okay. So directly
Mm-hmm.
sometimes even the client or the customer companies will recruit you. If they are using the Fusion application and they want to use it for the next 10, 15 years, they will also build the team internally. So at that time, you might be getting opportunities directly in the client or the customer companies, or direct Oracle also will be recruiting you on this technology. So directly, if you get placed in Oracle, that is also a product based company.
But
Hi, sir.
mostly
This is
it's
Gagan.
Yes, one please, Gagan, or someone talking. Who is this?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gagan.
So my question is that as you told, like learning is important, correctly. So my question is, apart from this, can we get the hands-on only, like for example, for any job description, we will see implementing like let's take about 2 to 3. So you provide this exposure also to the candidates. We can showcase in the resume like we have the exposure for implementing this
Gagan, your
project.
voice is not that clear. Can you please repeat the question once?
Sure. Can you hear me?
Yeah, somewhat better. Please repeat the question. Can you
So
also?
my question is like in the job description, we definitely see they will ask like 2 to 3 implementation of any of
Correct.
the project. So
Correct.
you will provide exposure to us like that as well, so we can showcase in our resume we have a hands-on
Definitely.
for
Definitely.
implementing some of the projects.
That is what I have mentioned here. See, this is about the project implementation only. Once you complete this cycle, once you learn this cycle, every project will follow the same process, but step by step. So you can keep 2, 3 year project implementation and you can tell all these things. And by the time you complete the training, you will get all the understanding of end-to-end project implementation. So you can use that definitely.
My question is like for we will learn here like theoretically, right? Because
So
I am
two to
asking about
three projects
practically.
means 2 to 3 projects means assignment based projects we can give you. But in the expectation of the interview, they will ask you in your prior experience, did you worked on any real-time projects, right? Means the real client companies that we have to
Yeah.
manipulate in the resume. You didn't worked on, but knowledge you have with the training. You have to keep some 3 or 4 projects in the resume and you have to tell the interviewer that I worked for these clients and these are the modules I implemented. Out of your knowledge, you can able to answer that.
And you told about like placement. So you have direct tie-up or it is like what we
See,
can say?
basically, we have two things. Directly, companies will be reaching whatever the companies I have shown on this Excel, I mean, PPT. HRs will be reaching out to us whenever they have the recruitment requirements. So we will conduct initially the mocks from the students and whoever performing well, we will be sharing from our side. And parallelly, as I told, you will also be posting the job requirements in the all job portals. So whatever the way interviews get scheduled, you will be in a situation to get the interviews clear. Because the market for this
Yes.
technology is very good,
Yeah.
definitely calls will schedule, no doubt about that.
May I ask the success rate?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
May
What
I
is
ask
that?
the success rate? Success.
See, basically, out of the batch, we can see 50 to 60% will be placed because several challenges will be there. Some people will be having different thoughts. Some people will be placing by their own, by their references, personal references and all. So usually 50 to 60% we can see. Okay. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to me personally. Okay. I can able to help you out, Gagan. If you want numbers, if you want proofs or anything, don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Next question, team, please.
Hello, hi Kumar. This is
Yes.
Utkarsh.
Hi, Utkarsh.
Like, yeah, hi. Like you mentioned, TCS does have 30,000 of employees globally, right?
Okay.
So for that, like all the employees will be managed in the HR portal from Oracle side, right? So how many of Oracle Fusion consultants will be there to manage the 30,000 employees?
See, first of all, we will be decided based upon the size of the project implementation. We are not going to maintain the system for the client. Our role will be what now Reliance got the Reliance purchased the product from Oracle. They given the project to Deloitte. We are working here based on the scope, like what all modules to be implemented. Okay, what all technical things to be implemented, how much time that will take for the implementation, how many resources are required. Ideally, in Fusion projects, unlike in EBS or PeopleSoft, the size of the team also reduced. Maximum 5 to 8 or maximum 5 to 10 resources are being used for any Fusion projects. It might have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Doesn't matter with the employee count. It matters with the modules that we are implementing, the scope of the modules that we have to implement. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. First of all, thank you for the informative session. Really, this was a good one. My question is basically, as you said, you have 14 to 15 years of experience, right? So just wanted to check, like, what is the time it takes to, implement the vanilla system for the HCM Fusion?
Hardly as at one more same continue in continuation to Utkar's question, that is number of resources required. He asked me now the time frame. Usually, Fusion projects implementation time scope also reduced. Maximum 8 months, 6 months, or maximum within a year, not more than that. Until and unless if client is a very big client, phase by phase, they are going the implementations country by country, then that's a different story. That might take 2 years, 3 years also. Usually 6 months, 8 months is the project timeline we are seeing. Post that, support projects will continue. That's a different. But implementation, 6 to 8 months or less than a year, we are seeing.
And which are the global, the geographical payroll support by the Fusion?
We have close to 15 plus countries, Kumar, like US, UK, Canada, Australia, even India also now supporting from last year onwards, Bahrain, UAE, Saudi, Kuwait. We have these countries supported. In payroll module, I'm going to share with you what are the global legislation supported by Oracle.
Okay. So did you ever get to, did you ever get chance to work on the pre-sales part where you are the part of bidding the project side or something similar?
See, bidding the projects also have been involved along with the sales team, but not from the point of what to say, price quotations and all, but from the point of resource allocations, from the point of timeliness to decide these all things. Usually
Okay.
based upon the size of the project, that the billing and all resources, all these things will be counted, but not into that. But from the point of consulting, I've been part of.
Any time like chance of like POC or RFI or RFQ or something like
Let's
you've
discuss
been
that
the.
offline, Kumar. This is
Oh, okay, no problem, no
because other
problem.
people won't understand these terminologies also.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, no
Thank you.
problem.
This
I'll
is
try to
this
share.
is really good one. The way you bifurcated,
Thank you.
because I'm looking for my friend and for me as well.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is really good one. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Pranjal, please.
Hi Kumar. So Kumar, I wanted to ask you that for covering BI reports and OTBI reports, so you will be explaining or you will be telling us about SQL as well, that is SQL?
SQL will not be covered. Why? Because in BI reports, entire SQL knowledge is not required. Only select statements and to pull the columns from the tables is required. For that, materials will be given to you and samples will be taught to you, but not detailed SQL. How to use SQL in BIP will be covered.
Okay,
Next.
sure. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Pranjal. So that's all for today, team. So I request everyone, please confirm the enrollments today so that we can able to share the access and we can add into WhatsApp group. From tomorrow, we will be continuing, team. So tomorrow also the same meeting link will work. At 8 a.m. you can join, team. So let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue with certification process, knowledge repository, how to access Oracle documents, and introduction to the application. So how to log into the system when a customer buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered, and then what are the basic functionalities in the system we have. Okay, these all things, and how many URLs that client will be giving, what are the different names that we will be calling the application. I will introduce to you some real-time jargons, team, so that you will able to understand the basic UI of the application tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, everyone, team. Sorry for troubling you as it is a demo. It got extended for more 30 minutes, team. So thank you, everyone, and thanks for your patience. We'll continue tomorrow, team.